MaxFit Wellness sent me this coffee for my review, and I'm excited to try it out because right off the bat, to me, because I'm not a big fan of mushrooms, I cannot wait to taste it because I do quite enjoy the benefits of actually having these mushrooms. And 10 Mushrooms Coffee, that's the name of the bag, that's the name of this coffee, because it definitely actually has 10 different mushroom variety right in there. This is a 60 servings little pack. If you're looking for those benefits, obviously you're on the right track and you're in the right place. Now, my big thing is, does it taste like mushrooms or does it actually taste like coffee? So first, we're going to do a little smell test because this is my first time trying this, and it's going to be interesting. Smells like coffee, so good start right away. Very, very, so this is instant coffee. So 1 single teaspoon in some hot water or cold water, because you can actually have it cold water, and you can prep this coffee however you would want. I usually have a little bit of milk and maybe a dash of sugar, but I'm going to try it straight up because I want to know if I can actually, have that coffee taste, or it's going to be completely infused with mushrooms. It's a nice bold coffee. I like that. Let's taste it out. You'd have to tell me. I'd have to read on the label to know that there's mushrooms in here. So that's what I love. You could definitely replace your daily morning coffee with this 10 Mushrooms coffee from MaxFit Wellness, and literally you wouldn't taste the difference, but you'd get the benefits, which is what we're all looking for.